So we've got some tofu here, fried tofu, cabbage, ginger, garlic, fantastic stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we're gonna get our tofu ready. Now let's just talk about it first. When you buy tofu, it usually comes in packets like this and it's in water, and it comes in different forms of hardness, basically. This is extra firm. You can get firm, extra firm. That's kind of what you want when you're frying. And it goes right down to kind of completely soft, like liquidy sort of stuff, useless for frying. So here we go, we've got this packet here. Organic tofu, I don't even know what that means, organic, that drives me mad, that word. We've got here 12 ounces or 340 gram net weight. So I've taken it out, I've given it a nice squeeze. Now when it's extra firm and firm like that, you can just squeeze any excess water out of it. And I've cut it into these sort of shapes. You can cut it into any shape and size that you want. Let's get to the cooker, we're gonna fry this off first. So we've got our pan here, and in there I've got some oil. You can see I've got a centimetre or so of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use a different type of oil if you want, like a vegetable or canola or something. And we're going to drop that in. Now you can shallow fry this if you want, or deep fry it. I'm kind of gone in the middle here, haven't I? So what we're doing here is we're going to just get a bit of colour on each side. I'll be flipping them over every now and then. It's probably going to take about 3 minutes aside, so maybe 6 or 7 minutes. And what will happen is they'll get a nice kind of crispiness on the outside. They'll be beautifully soft on the inside. Okay, and that's it, job done. You can see it's beautifully golden brown on the outside. It's going to be nice and soft on the inner. So we're going to fetch that out, set it aside, take a look at some other ingredients. Okay, so our tofu is there. Here I've got white cabbage. You can see there's quite a lot of that shredded. It will cook down quite a bit. There's about 6 cups in total. Here I've got a tablespoon or an inch of ginger, cut nice and small, nice and thin. Tablespoon of garlic, 1 cup of onions. And then here I've got some light soy sauce. There's about, I think there's 3 tablespoons, should we say. Let's get back to the cooker. Okay, so look, I've reduced the oil down massively, so there's not too much in there now. We're going to start off, by the way, on a high heat. We're going to start off by dropping in our garlic and the ginger. We're now going to add 1 cup of onion. And we're going to add a little bit of salt. Not too much salt this time because the soy that we're using is quite salty. But black pepper, give it a nice couple of big pinches, I always find it's good. Now immediately we're going to go in with all of our cabbage. High heat, stir fry this around for about 4 to 5 minutes. You need to keep it moving pretty much all of the time. So you can see that the cabbage has cooked down, reduced down itself, wilted is another word we could use, isn't it? Still got a little crunch there. Okay, we're going to drop in our cooked tofu. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of soy. Like I say, this is a light soy. We're going to go for 2 more minutes. This is done. Off goes the heat. Some spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them, chopped there. 1 more mix. Let's get that on a plate. Beautiful. Okay, really simple and beautiful. Just finish that off with a little bit more spring onion on the top and some sesame seeds. That's lovely. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. Please do take time to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and hit the subscribe button for notifications. Helps me out a great deal, apparently. See you soon. Lots of love.